Hi, this is the Post 1010 Botball Team number 160 from the DC region. This is our lessons learned documentation for period 3. This video depicts our robot failing. It did not drop the wooden person in the hole, but proceeded on with the rest of the code, leading to a lot of mistakes to occur. We learned some important lessons this year. First of all, we learned that line sensors are very helpful in navigation because when having a robot move forward for a specific period of time, it is not as accurate because its motions fluctuate depending on the status of the battery. Second of all, we learned that a motor can sometimes function like a servo, because when we ran out of the number of servos we were allowed to use, we realized that we could use a motor to a similar effect. Third, we learned it is critical to have a work session plan for which to go off of so that we stay on track and do not end up doing too much at the last minute. We also learned that it is most efficient to focus on the methods that will score the highest amount of points. This second video depicts our robot doing very well, as it picks up a wooden person, places it in the station, which raises the flag, and then collects a blue pom and puts it in Area 5 to get more points. We learned that it is important to give the robot room to adapt to different game boards because even if the robot is moving on a game board that is a few inches different from the one we practice on weekly, it should still be able to achieve the same tasks due to the structure. We were able to achieve this with a V-shaped structure on front of the robot which allows itself to align with any game board. And lastly, we learned it is important to keep a level head during any situation and have patience to solve any potential issues that may arise during the process. As of right now, our create looks like this and our wombat looks like this.